Chief Justice Diosdado Peralta will no longer finish his term. According to Supreme Court spokesperson Bryan Hosaka, Peralta plans to step down by 2021. Peralta's mandatory retirement is supposed to be on March 27, 2022, when he reaches the age of 70. Peralta was the third Chief Justice appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte. He was appointed in October 2019, replacing Lucas Bersamin. If Peralta pushes through with his early retirement, 5 most senior associate justices of the SC will automatically be nominated. They are Associate Justices Estela Perlas Bernabe, Marvic Leonet, Alfredo Benamin Caguiwa, Alexander Hesmundo, and Paul Hernando. Hesmundo and Hernando were both appointed by Duterte.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.